Hi everyone, welcome back. There are a bunch of new exciting changes happening here and I'm really excited to show them to you. We are plugging away at the tasks of renovating this place, and one of the biggest ones that I was most excited about just got done. And as we are kind of putting everything back together, I'm getting a bunch of cleaning done. And I know that several of you were asking about cleaning recipes and products, homemade cleaning products. And so I'm gonna work those into this video and take you along and show you some of the exciting things that are happening. So let's jump in and I'm gonna take you along, show you some exciting new things that are happening around here, get a bunch of cleaning done, and make sure to stay tuned because I'm gonna show you my favorite, very easy and super effective, very money-saving homemade cleaning recipes and how you can make them yourself. So we have a lot of new exciting things happening around here as far as updates on this house. One of the biggest things that I was most excited about, we just got done, and that is painting in this main living area. So there were a couple little wall surfaces in the kitchen, there was the window in the kitchen, and then the dining room and the great room, living room type area. So as you can see, it looks totally different. I'm so excited to not have the orangey brown in here anymore. It was just so dark and felt closed in, and now it's light and bright and feels so much more open and just beautiful. I love it so much. I'm so excited to have this done. We kept the beams dark, as you can see, and everything is out of here except for a few big furniture pieces that we just pushed to the middle of the room and the rug. So we are getting ready to put everything back together, and I'm starting over a little bit. I'm gonna bring in some new pieces to kind of style the place and decorate a little bit. I have curtains I want to put up. I'm not sure how much I'll get to in this video. I think this video is going to be mostly just cleaning, but I'll definitely bring you along as I start to put the place together. I think that's going to be really fun to see how it comes together. So I'm going to start by getting these floors clean. There's a lot of dust that kind of accumulated from the painting. They ended up spraying a lot of the surfaces. It was kind of tricky to get that wood paneling to have paint really adhere to it well. So that was a bit of a process and took some different products, but we're really glad how that turned out. I think it looks great. And then I'm gonna go over them with a mop. So what I've been doing is using this Shark steam mop, but not using the steam function. So it has this microfiber pad that goes onto it, and then I just have my bottle of multi-purpose spray cleaner, which I'm gonna show you how I make this later in the video. So stay tuned if you're interested to learn how to make that. And I'm just gonna go around and I'm spraying the bottom of the microfiber pad first, and then wherever I see anything really stuck onto the floor or major that I want to make sure really gets cleaned well, I'll just spray that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this whole area with my mop. Next thing I'm going to do is hit this big sliding glass door that we have. So I'm using my multi-purpose spray cleaner again with a microfiber cleaning cloth that is designed for use on glass. So I am just spraying that and then wiping it down. This one gets very smudged up because the kids go in and out of it a lot. They like to look at it a lot, and down at their level it gets pretty smudgy and smeary. So it's always good to get this nice and clean. I don't know about you, but every time I clean my sliding glass doors or windows, it always feels like so much more light can come through and you can just see so much better. One of the things that I need to do soon now that we're into cold weather is to actually take down this screen. And as a side note, I really highly recommend these magnetic screens anytime that you have a door that you want to be able to just kind of leave open. They're really nice for kids to be able to go in and out very easily without having a hard time opening and closing anything or forgetting to close the screen when you want to make sure that flies and bugs stay outside. So I do highly recommend those. And then when the cold weather comes and it's time to take it down, it just comes down with Velcro, so then next spring we can put it back up. We had them at our other house too. I can usually get at least a couple of years out of them, and they're pretty inexpensive, around $20 to $30 depending on the size. So definitely worth the money. Highly recommend that for any type of outdoors openings like this. Today I'm also hitting the bathrooms, making sure those are good to go and just giving them a nice basic clean. Are you tired of the myriad of dangerous chemicals that are in so many household cleaning products? I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own very effective cleaning products at home. It's going to save you a ton of money. They're very cheap to make, they work so well, and they're really easy to put together. So my spray cleaner recipe is so simple. All you need are white vinegar and 1 or 2 essential oils. You can do this with just tea tree if you want, or just lemon, but I like to combine them. So tea tree has lots of bacterial antimicrobial properties. Lemon is really great for helping it to smell very nice, and also lemon has some really great cleaning properties, loosening dirt and gunk and grime. And I really just eyeball these. I put about 20 or so drops into my 16-ounce glass spray bottle. And then I just fill the jar halfway full of white vinegar. This can be cheap cleaning vinegar that you can get lots of different places. Walmart, Costco, I think is where I got this one. So I fill it halfway with the white vinegar, half the way with water. And then after that, we just screw the top on. And then each time that you use it, you just give it a little shake beforehand, and it's ready to go. So this is one of my most used homemade cleaning products. Very versatile. That's one of the things I love about it, is you can use it for so many different things. It's a multi-purpose surface cleaner. Since it has the vinegar in it, it works great on glass. So I'll use it in the bathroom for the mirrors, the countertops, the toilet. I'll use it in the kitchen for all the counters. A quick just spray of the inside of the sink to help loosen up dirt and grime. Surfaces, flooring that we have, our hard floor. Really anything that needs just a quick multi-purpose disinfectant type of cleaning spray, and this does the job so great. So that's one of my products. My second product that I use for my cleaning is just plain old baking soda. So this is just a really nice scratch-free multi-purpose scrubbing powder. I'll use it in the toilet bowl, I'll use it inside sinks, bathroom sinks, kitchen sinks, anywhere that you just need nice scrubbing power. It's just plain old baking soda. I get it in a big bag. It's just Arm & Hammer bulk baking soda at Costco. You can get it other places too. I have these empty shaker top bottles, so it makes it really easy to just sprinkle it where I want to use it. So these two products are what I use for all of my cleaning primarily. It's very rare when I'll go to something else. These will really have you covered for just about anything. And one of the things that I like to do is combine them sometimes. So this will be like the inside of a toilet or the inside of a really yucky sink. I'll sprinkle the baking soda in there first and then spray this, and then you'll remember that they'll make a chemical reaction and fizz, and then it just helps boost the cleaning power even more. Also, I wanted to mention to you guys, if you don't know about it already, there might be a lot of new people who don't know about this yet, but I have an ebook that I published that has over 50 recipes for household products, baby products, skincare products. There's all of my soap recipes, lotions, salves, all kinds of things in there. It's over 50 recipes. I put them all together in an ebook so that you can find them by an index, beautiful pictures. Someday I'd hope to get this published in a hard copy, so stay tuned as I work on that. But for now, it's an ebook, and I have that available. There'll be a link down in the description box so that you can check that out if you're interested. All right, I hope that you enjoyed coming along today as I did some cleaning using my two most favorite multi-purpose, super easy and inexpensive and very effective homemade cleaning products. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make those, and I hope that you try it yourself. If you do make them and use them, let me know how you like them. Hope that you enjoyed seeing our new exciting updates. in our house projects. If you enjoy these types of videos about natural living, please hit that subscribe button. I get out new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.